All right, I'm gonna give you a little update. You can see we've been working on removing all the paint. Cut this all down. There's a big old dent right here. And they had about a half-inch of Bondo in there. All I did is pop it back out. And it's looking okay. I mean, out there, cleaned up a little bit more. But not sure why they decided they wanted to do that. Got another spot I'll show you coming up here. But yeah, we got this all sanded. This is all ready to get cleaned up and then have some epoxy done to it. I got this wall, this side here. I haven't got all the way up yet. I gotta tip it back down. And I got this one here started. Pretty good. I gotta finish this up in the back. But I've been in here cleaning this up so we can get some paint on this. So as we get some paint on there, we'll either epoxy or we'll put some of that rusting stuff on there. They have a paint that's basically made for stopping rust. So, but over here, this is what I'm going to show you. They had a couple little dents right here. Instead of punching out the dents or having somebody remove the dents, they decided to drill some holes in here and then Bondo this. Now I got to get all this Bondo out of here, and then I got to weld these holes back shut. And after I get all these holes welded back shut, get these pounded. First I'll try to pound these out. Once I get them pounded out, then we should be good to just put a thin layer. Because I mean, you should never go more than a 1/16 of an inch of Bondo. More of a thin film. But yeah, other than that, things are coming along pretty good. Didn't know, a lot of work doing this, removing the paint and removing all this stuff here so that you can get another coat of paint on it. But other than that, things are going pretty good. All right, that'll be it for the day. I'll give you some more stuff when I get some paint on it and get some more sanding done. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.